Welcome to chapter 5. In last chapter we studied variables. Since these variables can be of different data types, it's important to know the data types. Let's see what data types are available in Python. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types by default, as shown in table 1. We have text type, numeric type, sequence, and boolean. The text data type is known as string, which refers to the alphabets and special symbols or even numeric digits, if enclosed in double or single quotation marks. On the other hand, the numeric type refers to integers, int, decimal point values, float, and or complex numbers which contains imaginary parts. The sequence type of data refers to arrays, which are known as list, tuple, and range in Python. In addition, Python has Boolean data type which refers to true and false values respectively. To check the data type of any variable, we can use the type function. But first, we define different data types in cell 5, using variables from A to G. Variables A, B, and C are string, integer, and decimal or float variable data types, while variable D is declared as complex by using the J alphabet with the digit. On the other hand, the variable E is declared as list using the square brackets, and F is represented as tuple by using the parentheses. Finally, we use a default function of Python that is range and assign its values to G. Therefore, its data type is range. In cell 4, we use type function of Python by passing the name of the variable to check and confirm the data type of each variable. Here we have defined all of those variables as shown in figure 5. In the next cell, we are using the type function on each variable separated by a comma to check the type of each variable. So here we have written type A, comma, type B, and so on. And next we run the cell to know the type of each variable. As shown in the output, it is rightly identified the type of each variable, which is string, integer, float, complex, list, tuple, and range respectively. Thank you and see you in the next chapter.